Jai Mata Di guys, your class 12 board exams are over. IMCT is round the corner. Sponsorship exams are going on. Fleet, Anglo, Synergy, किसका एग्जाम दे, क्या करे क्या नहीं करे. There is so much to prepare. What to prepare, how to prepare, what to do. First thing guys, don't take it so seriously. आपको एक चीज समझिए, concepts remain the same. The basic problem that I see that we face with students even at GMD academies, they think IMCT is different and interview preparation is different. Well, concepts remain the same. Preparation is slightly different. When you are preparing for IMCT, say, till the time you have a sponsorship of any single company, you have to give 60% of your energy for sponsorship. Say, right now you are going to give exams for fleet management or Anglo, say in the month of April end, in the month of May mid as well. Till that time your 60-65% energy should go for sponsorship exams and 35 to 40% energy should be focusing towards the IMCT. So that means you need to know कि भैया you need to get those answers. अच्छा, what all questions are being asked by the interviewer in Anglo Eastern or Synergy or Scorpio, and prepare that way. Most importantly, preparing is first of all getting the data, starting writing those answers, and then having whys for all the cross questions as well for the interview preparation. Copied? कि भाई suppose you say that Archimedes principle is when a body is wholly or partially immersed in a liquid and upward force acts on it, which is called a buoyant force. So I can ask you next question. Say I am sitting in air like this, as a buoyant force acting on me. If somebody says yes, then I'll ask you why do I don't feel that. Next question can be कि भाई why does a ship float and a nail sink? It is a very common question. Next question can be, is it easy to float in a pond with still water or is it easy to swim in a sea, and why? So from one question, one concept, you get 4 to 5 questions over here in different way. So you have to prepare them, write them, and then stand in front of mirror and answer that question at least 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. Many times people tell me, sir confidence build नहीं हो रहा है. मैं बोलता अच्छा एक बात बताओ क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. सर आंसर आता तो है, I know that, but I am not being able to deliver it well. So I tell him, okay, tell me 2 plus 2, sir 4. I tell him 4 plus 4, sir 8. 8 plus 8, 16. नाम क्या है? सर प्रणीत मेहता. ये सब आता है? आता है. Why? Because you have said it so many times. You have recalled it so many times. That is why you know it. Even if you cannot hear properly and somebody asks you even at night 2 o'clock, 2 plus 2, अरे 4 है. Why not with Archimedes principle? Why not with sky is blue? What is Bernoulli's principle? What is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle? Name the 5 oceans and all those stuff. So you need to know, and you need to practice and practice and practice, standing in front of mirror, telling your parents to ask you questions, telling your brothers and sisters to take your mock interviews, telling your friends to take your mock interviews, and that is how you prepare for interview. And along with that, 40% right now till the time you get sponsorship is IMCT. So every day preparing maths one topic, English math one topic, physics giving priority. Maths and physics should always be your priority because maximum questions come from maths and physics. But don't leave English, scoring. Don't leave aptitude, scoring. Don't leave chemistry, scoring. साथ पे फोकस करो. The day you get one sponsorship and you feel satisfied that this is a good shipping company, immediately give your 100% towards IMCT and get a good rank over there. So this is how you start preparing right now, because solutions are not in this video out here. Solutions are in your mindset out here. Solutions are just start doing it. Don't think. Just start doing it. Don't think. पढ़ाई करना शुरू करो, वीडियो देखना बंद. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता.